I'll speed up the pace.
Okay. It's very cold and it's rainy. Dave's going to run to the other side of this dam, which is pretty far actually. And we'll have a listen. Now you can hear his footsteps quite clearly. And it sounds like he's actually gotten closer to us.
What's that?
Well, I was just talking to the video that it actually sounded as if you're approaching us with your footsteps and your breathing.
Huh.
And yet you were going farther away, so it was pretty neat.
Can you see me anywhere?
Yep, just let me zoom in on you though. Yep, gotcha.
Alright.
That was pretty neat.
It is.
I mean, I'm not yelling, you're not yelling. It's just normal, regular voice.
Yeah, it sounds like you're just sort of coming out of the wall.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
Like it sounds like you're about 4 or 5 feet in front of me.
Yep. That is really cool.
It bounce along the wall the whole way across.
I guess it does. It must have been funny the day they discovered that.
Yeah.
So someone's probably talking nasty about their boss or something.
That's right. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna tap something.
Yeah, can hear it real clear. Yep.
Interesting.
Come on back. Talk to us the whole way.
Coming back. So it's difficult for me to hear you.
Right?
Okay, but sometimes I can.
Okay, I can hear you.
So I'm going to keep trying to walk and talk.
Yeah.
And we'll see if you can hear me. As I move across the top of this wall. Still hear me? Right. It's good. This is pretty good. Pretty high on the top. The water. There'll be a little duck in the water over here. Staring away.
Can you hear me? No.
There's more cockatoos out today. There's that duck I scared earlier. He's on the other side. Just a baby duck. And I'm just about on my way back. Still hear me too? Alright. This is very interesting. We need a home theater with acoustics this good.
Exactly.
So, all the way across, there and back. And you could hear me the entire time. Wasn't that interesting?
That's pretty cool.